So, assalamu alaikum. Okay, but so we are now biz biz hozir demak Istanbuldamiz. Hop. Demak bugun yetib keldik. Soat nechta qo'ndik? Soat 4da qo'ndi bu. Ertalab sahar 4da edi, okay. So, samolyot keyin metro Istanbul metro bo'lishini kutdik, basically, right? Ochishni kutdik because, like, you know, we are choosing to travel affordably. Well, keyin mehmonxonaga keldik soat 8larda, right? Shu boy metro bilan boshqa narsa qilib, sasib topib, bir balo qilib. And now right here at the, you know. So yeah, basically we are at the at our room at the hotel. It wasn't like so bad. It's not bad as you can see, but like it's like, I mean, it is probably right one of the coolest hotels we can find for the price that we're paying. It's not that we don't have money, it's just we decide not to spend it, right, bro?
Yeah.
Let's just
100%.
say that, right? So here, right, we have Mr. Shah. Sorry, I'm, you know, showing you with your mic on, right?
Yeah.
So yeah. И до xohlasa, you know, so well, I'll be taking shots and I hope they'll be great. So just in case, like this whole, you know, place looks like how to put it, like a house from, you know, from my, like there used to be an apartment, right? I mean, there is still, but like the you know, the, how to put it, like what the hell? I mean, the way that it was, you know, renovated, like, you know, the design of the furniture, like, you know, look at that. I mean, it is old. Like the place is old. It reminds me of those places, but at the same time, it's cool. Like, you know, after all, hotel is just for sleeping, and like, you know, you can eat stuff, you can spend some time doing stuff, and this place has everything, as you can see. So yeah, that's it for the hotel. So yeah, there you go. Hop, bu baliq sotadigan joy ekan. So yeah, let's go. Now we are going to see, right, the Black Sea. that is me. That is Shauraka. How are you, sir?
I am really fine.
You are like really fine? Yeah. So let's go. Let's go see the Black Sea.
Is
Right?
it the Black Sea?
Yeah, it is. I mean, it should be.
Atlantic Ocean?
Bro, Atlantic Ocean is like what the hell?
Mediterranean it was.
It could be Mediterranean, but I don't know.
Mediterranean? It is? Mediterranean.
I don't like this Osmo Mobile now. What the hell, bro? Like,
Wow.
so hop. So that's me, right? By far, experience is like it's amazing. Wow, that is good actually. Look at that. So that is your Black Sea. There you go, baby. Can we like go?
I don't think so.
Okay, so there is a ferry, it turns out, here.
It's not a ferry.
It's not a ferry, so yeah, it's a ship, right? So yeah, that's us. Come on, bro.
That is
us, right? At Black Sea.
Kalachato.
But we are having lunch at 4 o'clock because we slept a lot, right? And that's your view. So yeah. Anything to say?
Çok güzel.
That's your award. Why did I say award again? Jabra, right? So it is cool. Krevetka? Yeah, I guess so. Ilon balıklı balkim. I don't know. Look at this stuff. It is crazy. Yeah. Oh yeah, krevetka is here. You watch that? You watch that thing? What the hell is this?
Who knows?
Sorry guys for showing you this, but yeah. We were just walking by and we just saw this thing. I don't know what that thing is, but
Probably hammam, I'm saying.
I mean, don't believe him. So we are on this way. We came all the way from there. So
Hammam.
yeah, let's continue. So Assalamu alaikum again, right? We are walking right through these cool streets. I was just what the hell? So yeah, it is cool. So I think it was a good idea to come here. A really good idea. So okay, so the Roman Empire was like remnants. I mean, it's not remnants, but like yeah, this thing was built at those Roman Empire. Look at that. So yeah. Hello guys, what's up? Wow, let's do something here, right? So we are at Sultan Ahmed Mosque, and let's do that. Wow, look at that. It is actually crazy. Wow, just amazing. Like the other part. Wow. Okay, let's do something, huh? Let's take a father selfie. Wow. So we are at the Sultan Ahmed Maidana, something like that. I'm sure there is something wrong with my pronunciation. So that's Shafakir. That is me. We're walking. It's so clean, like the air. I mean, I think you can see that, right? So yeah. Well, now we're going to the Hagia Sophia, the place that was once church and then mosque and then church and then mosque. I mean, all of that stuff. Yeah, I mean, you just probably got the idea that I don't know the history of that place. So a lot of chagalaylar. I don't know whether I'll upload this. If I uploaded this video, just know that, like, you know, I probably hired some editor to do the job. That's Şarvaka. Anything to say?
We're enjoying.
Okay, and that's it.
That's it.
I mean,
And I'm downloading.
you don't have to do that, bro. That is ISFE, bro. Here you go. See? Yeah. Is it, guys? So, we'll be going there now. Huh? I don't. You're like doing this, you know. So, yeah. So, do you think it was a good idea to come here
It was,
this time?
No, it was not a good idea. It was a great idea.
Oh, good. Okay, cool. So, we don't have microphone. Temerake, hello. But like, so it is great. Like, you know, I mean, the weather is it's cold. It's like 7-8 degrees, but like, it's amazing for walking. So,
Sorry, it's starting to rain.
yeah, it is now
All of a
raining.
sudden.
I mean, you know,
Wow, this is the square, Sultan Ahmed Square.
yeah. So, I'll be, you know, updating you guys more. So another shot like that, you know, you have seen it, so let's do it. Well, look at that. It is actually amazing. Looks like father selfie, but okay. Okay. Hop, zaman bu authentic Turkish experience like this thing. Doritos, it's not something authentic to Turkish, but like it's not. I haven't seen them in Uzbekistan, so we're trying it. We just finished our, you know, what was it? Lavash, X-large lavash, whatever. I mean, durum.
Durum, something.
Okay, that
It's
thing.
large, yeah.
And we are watching Subjective's, you know, thing about Istanbul again. At this amazing not apartment, like room.
Hotel
Right.
room.
And dear guys, that is me. And yes, that's chaos here, I know, but that's life. It's
That's
chaotic.
your life.
Hop, bu demak ikkinchi kun boshlanishi va ko'rishingizdek bizga shunaqa berishdi emas, shvedskiy stol bor edi. Humble, modest, ya'ni juda ham ko'p narsasi yo'q uni. Va ushbu shvedskiy stoldan shu men olgan narsalar shu. Bu nonushta edi. Demak, ikkinchi kunda endi boshqa tarixiy joylarga boramiz va boshqa joylarni ko'ramiz. So let's go. Birinchi metroga tushish kerak.
We are at stasyon.
Hop, metroda ekanmiz. Men metro haqida ozgina aytib o'tmoqchi edim. Metro juda ham katta. Metro tizimi Istanbuldagi Toshkentdagidan ancha kattaroq va shaharni juda ham ko'p joylariga boradi. Va ko'rishingiz mumkin, demak, shu yoqda ham ozgina qanaqadir bir art qilishga, shu yoqga o'zgacharoq qilishga harakat qilishgan. Toshkentchalik zo'r emas. Toshkent metrosining bekatlari umuman boshqacha, har bittasida bilasizlar, shu o'zgacha dizayn berilgan. Bu yoqda unchalik zo'r dizayn bo'lmaydigan bo'lsa ham, lekin juda ham katta. Va ham qiziq narsa, Istanbul metrosi o'sha yerdan juda ham ancha pastda joylashgan. Shu eskalatorda 2-3 eskalatordan tushib boradigan, demak, bekatlari ham bor. Va biz hozir o'sha bu metrodan o'tib, ya'ni shu suv tagidan o'tadigan, ya'ni metrodan o'tib, demak, Uskudar maydoniga boramiz. U yoqdan ham videolarni ko'rishingiz mumkin bo'ladi. Let's go. So that is your amazing view. So yeah, we're going somewhere. People are fishing here. Right. That is me. I'm sure this Osmo mobile is not taking it good. Probably shaking, probably doing some stuff. And I am just on water. So There is another kind of something in here, right? I'm not very happy with the embassy. It is good. Everybody happy with the embassy. It is good, you know. Less water. So let me make it like this. Bugun ikkinchi kun. Biz bugun Xudo xohlasa, first
Çok güzel, çok güzel. Keşke benim olsa.
Europe'dagi eng baland towerga borganmiz, Xudo xohlasa. Hali ham nomini aytolmayapman. And then we have plans to go to Galata Tower. Yes.
That one.
Nimani qiyin. Va undan keyin Xudo xohlasa, we will have a trip at this, you know, Kurfas or whatever that thing is. And Xo'p, bizani Istanbulda demak yuribmiz. Bitta yaxshi bir qanaqa qiladi bu. Odamlar faqat mana bundan kirar ekan, to'lashar ekan, and that's it. Bu yoqdan chiqishar ekan. Hech kim kirmaydi bu yoqdan. Biz Istanbulda Mercedes bilan yuribmiz, Mercedes bilan. Now you can see that. So, yeah. And this is kind of Ziraat bankasi. Weird, but yeah. So, bizda ham bitta demoq chiqadigan bu. So yeah, there you go, baby. Another one, yeah. So. Chamlıca. There is another part. This is bu Marmar dengizi. It is at the sea level, which is 0, right? But if we do something like this, you can see that, right? We are 225 meters higher than that, and from that you can see this view. Yeah, it's not very clean, so these are those yollar. Going to Galata Tower. Yes. That is the road here. Our bus just came, so let's go. Yeah? Why did it stop? We are probably at the city center, right? And there you go, look at this. There is Trump Towers. Interestingly, I don't know what kind of business is that, but there is that. And look at this thing. It is city center, and it is 90, the speed limit. See that, guys? So the next destination is
Galata Tower.
here. There we go. There we go. Xo'p, bu bizni Shohrux aka bilan rasmimiz va bunisi esa o'sha Galata minorasini o'zini rasmi. Biz bundan keyin demak, Bosfor ko'rfaziga tur olgandik 500 liraga. Taxminan $10 ko'proq. O'shanga ketamiz. So, yeah. No, endi buni ko'rishingiz mumkin. Bosfor turidagi nima. So, we are at the tour, right? We started the tour. We're going all the way
I don't know where. Wow, perfect. It's perfect after all.
I have a really good photo. I started. Take that part. Change the focus. Yeah, right. You see? That's it. That's great. Perfect sunset. Demak, bu uchta rasm esa bizni hop ikkinchi kunimizga yakun yasagan. Chunki biz demak Bosforus turdan keyin shu Dolmabahçe saroyini oldidan o'tdik. Shu masjidda ko'ryapsiz, shunga yaqin bo'lgan. Va undan keyin Taksim maydoniga bordik. Shu mashhur ko'cha va shu bilan uyga borib uxladik. Chunki o'sha kuni deyarli 20 mingdan ko'proq qadam bosgan edik. 3-kun boshlandi. Biz Laleli o'sha ko'chasidan, Nunsdan o'tib tramvaylarning yonidan demak Grand Bazar, katta bozor bor ekan. Shu shahar markazida ko'p turistlar boradigan. Maslahat berishmadi yo'lda sotib olishni. O'sha joyga bordik. Birinchi kunimizdagi plan edi. Kun uxladik, ancha-muncha ko'p uxlab qoldik 3-kun boshida. Va undan keyin demak Istanbul arxeologiya muzeyiga borishimiz kerak edi. Bozorga bordik. Mana bozordagi hozir ko'rishingiz mumkin, ko'rayotgan bo'lishingiz kerak. Shunaqa. Mana marketingning yana bir onisi. Bu tozalayaptimi yo'qmi bilmadim, tozalayapti shunchaki yuribdi. Odam ko'rib qolsa yo'lda, bunday ko'rsatyapti reytlarni. Shunchaki yuribdi. Odam ko'rsa to'xtaydi, that's it. Wow. Hop, bizda the next destination right is here. That is Istanbul Archaeological Museum. Istanbul Arxeologik muzeyi. Hop, muzeyga kiramiz hozir va hamma narsani sizlarga ko'rsataman. Let's go. Bu yerda video olishga mumkin yoki yo'q bilmadim. Biz Istanbul Arxeologik muzeyidamiz. Hozir faqat o'sha miloddan avvalgi 6-7 asr, 5-asrlardagi shu haykallar qismi ekan, tamom. Turamiz mana. Yorug'lik zo'r emas. Kamera olib kelmaganman yoki mikrofon ham yo'q. Shuning ovoz balkim bo'lmayotgan bo'lishi mumkin. This actually great. Hop, mana bu joy demak o'sha arxeologiya muzeyi Istanbul. O'sha arxeologlar, oh my god, what's wrong with me? Qanaqa qilib o'sha boyagi tozalash haqida, qanaqa qilib bu artefaktlarni, topilmalarni o'sha boyagi olish haqida yozilgan yotib turibdi. Okamni ham bilmadim. Hop. And that is me in here. Demak, muzey, Istanbul arxeologik muzeyi. Hop, men chiqdim hozir. Shu haykallar qismini o'zini ko'rishga 2 soatcha vaqt ketdi. Hop, rasmlar qo'yaman. Xudo xolasa agar YouTube'ga qo'yilgan bo'lsa video, chunki hali qaror qilmadim. The background, right? Another background. In the I read everything that's written there, like a lot of things, right? So işte bor edi. Tushuntirilgan boshqa narsa, tarix haqida bilgan. Ya'ni men shu atrofdagi Istanbul va shu atrofdagi to'rtta shaharlar ni umumiy tarix haqida nima bo'lgan, birinchi undan keyin nima bo'lgan, a lot of information, right? Va o'sha paytdagi nimalar bor, artefakt topilmalar bor va topilmalarni detal qanchalik o'sha boyagi ikir-chikirlarigacha bir zo'r qurishganini hisobga olib, I feel like we are doing less with our life. Chunki u paytda 30 yosh, 30, 35, 40 bo'lgan va odamlar 30 yoshgacha qancha artib tashlaganini ko'rish bilmadim, qolganligi qanaqa ta'sir qilardi. For me, I don't know, I feel like I'm doing very small things in my life. So, yeah. Bu hozircha xulosa. Yana xohlasa nimalarga ulashiladi. Xo'p, 3-kun, demak, arxeologik muzeyidan chiqdik. Undan keyin piyoda yurib, ozgina molga bordik, ovqatlandik. O'sha shopping qildik ozgina. Kiyimlar tabiiyki Turkiya, tabiiyki sifatli, tabiiyki ancha arzon. Molni ham ko'rishingiz mumkin. Masjidga kirganimiz bor, boshqanimiz bor. Va shu bilan demak 3-kunimiz tugadi va kunning oxirida qor yog'ardi. Shuni qor haqida ham hozir qorni videosini qo'yaman. So, mikrofonning ovozi qanaqa bilmadim. Demak, Istanbulda qor yog'yapti. Mana hozir demak metrodan chiqib biz ko'rdik. Kelganimizdan beri birinchi qor hali. Bugun 30-dekabr. So yeah, it's amazing. Lekin shu boyki qanaqadir juda ham tepa, past, juda ham tikka ko'chalardan boshqa qanaqa yuradi bilmayman. Undan keyin ertasi kuni Shohrux aka endi nonga bordilar. Adalarga, Orolga. U yoqdan videolar bor. Men qo'yaman. Men bormadim, chunki o'sha kuni uxladim kuni bo'yi. Well, yeah. Adalarni o'sha ma'lum bir tasvirlar bor. Uni ham qo'yaman. Ularni men olmaganman. Shohrux Rajabaliyev olganlar.
Assalomu alaykum. Bugun solo travel qilamiz, chunki Firdavs mehmonxonada qoldilar. Recommendation letter yozishlari kerak ekan. Bosh haroratida, sovuq dedi, uxlagisi kelyotdi. Shunga bugun solo sayohat qilamiz va sayohatimiz adalarga bo'ladi. Orollar Buyukada eng kattasidan boshlaymiz. Xudo xolasa bu yog'iga Heybeliadami degan orolcha va nasib qilsa ham bu kichirog'iga ham o'tsam kerak. Endi bunisini bilmadim. Ko'ramiz, balki bunga ham boramiz. Hop. Hozir Bo'stonchi degan portga kelgan edim. U yoqda soat 11 da ekan. 1,5 soat erta kelib qo'yman. Va bu uzoqroqda bo'lgani uchun bu port va bu yoqdan Buyukada eng kattasi ham bu yoqda o'zi. Adashmasam, shu eng kattasiga borgungacha 2 soatdan oshiqroq vaqt ketar ekan. Shunga boshqa port topdim bu yoqda. Maltepe degan. U yoqdan soat 10:45 da 15 minut ertaroq va yo'li yaqinroq bo'lganiga 1 soatdan sal ko'proq vaqt ketar ekan, 1,5 soatcha taxminan. O'shanga shu tarafga qarab o'tamiz. Ertalabda bu yoqda mushuklar albatta va yo'lda ko'p odamlar yugurishdi. Yugurgani zo'r joy ekan, dengiz bo'yida. Ertalabda bas shunaqa gaplar. Hozir shu Buyukada katta orolni teparog'ida, har yana tepasiga chiqaman. Lekin mana bu view. Mexico. Mana shu monastirga chiqaman. Yo'l bor ekan bu yoqda. Va turgan joyim Atalar Fikada. Monastir mana kut. O'sha yerda bitta view ko'ramiz hozir. Hop, shuncha yo'l tepaga chiqib, charchab, shundoq kelsangiz mana shunaqa view bo'lsa, wow. Telefonimni aylantiring degan yozuv chiqadi. This is the end. Hop, bu yoqda bizani shep o'tiribdilar mana. Hello. Qarab qo'ysizlar endi. Nimadir berarmikin, nimadir bormikin deb oldimga chiqib qoldi. I am sorry. Xullas, ozgina dam olib, yana shu yoqdan ko'rinarmikin? Boyagi monastirga tepaga chiqamiz. Ko'rinmasganda bu yoqda. Hop. Another destination unlocked. Wow. Sunset shu yoqdan ko'rish kerak ekanda o'zi. Hop. Safarimiz qaridi. Buyukadadan qaytamiz.
Assalomu alaykum. Demak, 2025-yilda 31-dekabrdagi sinovlar davom etadi. So, I am at the Taksim Square, Taksim maydonidaman. Hop, mana a lot of people. Soat demak 10 bo'pti. Ko'rinmadi chunki night mojoni qilgan. Hop, shuni to'g'rilab olaylik mana shuni. Hop, 20:55 bo'pti, adashmabman. Bu yoqni bu maydon va bu yoqda juda ham ajib bor. Bu masjid va yangi yil nishonlashmoqda. It's weird, but that's Istanbul. So shunaqa mana shu sentrga olib qo'yilgan bizga o'xshab. Bizda Amir Temurda bor, bu yerda mana shu Taksim maydoni uchun Taksim metro bor ekan. So some people are shooting stuff in here. Yeah, that is great. So my first New Year outside Uzbekistan, and it's going amazing. Hop, bu yerda hozir soat 10 bo'lgan bo'lsa, endi O'zbekistonda hozir yangi yil kirgan bo'lsa kerak. So, bu yerda hozir kirgani yo'q. 2 soat bor. 2 soat torment bor. Okay, Taksim Street at New Year's Eve or like yangi yil payti. Mashina yuribdi, bilganlarga nahot bu yerda. A lot of people here, as you can see, right? So, well, and it is crazy. It's crazy, as you can see, the number of people. Xo'p, ushbu vaziyatdan foydalanib, mana demak rasmlar ko'ryapsiz. Nisbatan bunaqa rang-barang bo'lmagan, vibrant bo'lmagan ko'chalarning rasmlari. Va undan tashqari ham bitta narsa bor ekan. Juda ham ko'p duch kelganim. Ko'pni qo'yaman hozir, ko'rishingiz mumkin. Juda ham ko'p graffiti art bor. Shu devorlarga xo'jalik chizib ketishgan. Deyarli juda ham ko'p joyda ko'rishingiz mumkin. Bu ham bir menga notanish bo'lgan, oldin ko'rmagan narsam. Toshkentda juda ham kam uchraydigan holat. Va sezganingizdek, o'sha paytda Shohrux aka men bilan emaslar, Shohrux aka shu paytga yangi yil kuni Istanbulda qarindoshlar bor ekan, o'shanga ketgan edilar. Adalardagi tasvirlar sizlarga yoqdi degan umiddamiz. Men esa hozir bu Taksim maydonidan keyin unga bordim. O'rtakoy masjidiga, o'sha maydoniga va maqsadim o'sha fireworklarni ko'rish edi. Va juda bir ajib voqea bo'lgan. Shu davom etsangiz, videoning davomida tushunasiz. Hop, yangi yil shukuhi bermadi. Ya. Probka shunchaki dahshatli darajada. Avtobusga chiqmoqchi edim, avtobusdan tez keldim. Yani 2 barobar tezroq keldim bu yerda. Xo'sh, bu videoda sizga bo'lsanglar, men jim turibman shunchaki. Sababi nima? Sababi kutyapman. Men tomonda ham demak, o'sha boyagi salyutlar, mushaklar otilishini. Lekin keyinchalik tushundim, 5 minutdan keyin. Kutdim chunki 5 minut umid qildim, tomonda ham otilish kerak deb. Binoni noto'g'ri tomoniga chiqib olgan ekanman. Noto'g'ri tomonida turgan ekanman, shuning uchun shu boy mushabazlik menga ko'rinmabdi. Bu endi noto'g'ri qilingan ish va like it was really bad. You don't know how bad I felt. But juda ham ko'p odam orasidan shu boyga o'tib, qiynalib, o'sha bir yaxshi joy topib, riskli bo'lsa ham tomni ustiga chiqib olib, fireworkni ko'raman deb turganingizda shunaqa bo'lishi unexpected. Xo'p, undan keyin taxminan 3 soatcha piyoda yurdim. O'sha eng yaqin metroga yetib borish uchun. Metroda ham juda ham ko'p kutdim. Yangi yil bo'lgani uchun metro ishladi. Bu aşağı olingan rasm o'sha juda ham teparoqda olingan, shuning uchun bir ajib rasm ko'rib turibsiz. Shunaqa. Shu bilan 4-kunimiz yangi yil kuni tugadi. 31-dekabr 1-yanvarga o'tgan paytdagi holat edi bu, rasm edi. Xo'p, bir qiziq voqea bo'ldi hozir. G'alati. Mana shu yerda ko'ryapsizlar, ana hali ham bulut yo'q. Bulut bor, mana shu o'rtaroq tomonda bulut yo'q hozir. Shu narsa, endi mana shu общий osmon shunaqa edi, taxminan demak 20 soatcha oldin. Mana hozir to'g'ri, bugun 1-yanvar. Mana bu tomonda qor yog'yapti. Hozir bu tomonda ham juda ham qalin bulut bor, bulutlar bor. O'sha yerdagi qor bu yerga hozir shamol bilan uchib kelyapti. Wow. Istanbul is being like first time for a lot of things for me. So it's crazy. To'g'ri, bu 1-yanvar, to'g'ri ko'pchilik dam oladi. Bu qorda yurib yo'lda men demak espresso lab degan kafega borayotgandim yo'lidagi. Demak dengiz bo'yidagi yo'l emas, dengiz bo'yidagi yo'lga ketgandim. Va bu yoqda men recommendation yozdim, mana ko'rishingiz mumkin. Kofe yaxshi ekan va Izmir bir balosa degan shirinlik bor ekan. Menga yoqdi o'sha yerdagi olingan, ko'rinib turgan bo'lishi mumkin. Juda ham like it was really good. Va undan keyin shaharni markaziga bordik. Yo'lda Roman Aqueduct shunday qurilgan bor ekan, o'shani ko'rdik. Mana videosi bor, ko'rishingiz mumkin. Avtobusda yurganimiz bor, ko'prikni o'tganimiz bor, ko'ryapsiz. Umuman olganda shu bu 5-kun ko'p narsa qilib tashlaganimiz yo'q kuni. Ko'p piyoda yurdik, ko'p har xil joylarga bordik. Ovqat yedik. And that was it. Yeah. So that's it. Xo'p, 6-kundan hech qanaqa rasm, video, hech narsa yo'q. Shu uchun ekran qop-qora turibdi, ko'rishingiz mumkin. Sababi men recommendation yozdim Komilxon uchun va nimadir bo'ldi, bilmadim, stress, boshqa narsa. Boshim qattiq og'rib boshladi, juda ham qattiq va shunchaki onda yotishga majbur bo'ldim. Kun davomida yil shunaqa boshlandi. Ikkinchi kuni. Va undan keyin mana bu yog'iga ko'rishingiz mumkin. Bu 7-kunimiz. 7-kuni уже allaqachon o'tib ketishimiz kerak edi. Va bu yog'iga mana rasmlar, videolar hammasi samolyotda, aeroportdan olingan. Va shu bilan shu aeroportdan bu yog'iga shu. That's it. Videoni oxirigacha ko'rganingiz uchun rahmat. Bu birinchi travel vlog edi. Bu yog'iga agar imkoni bo'lsa yana qilishga harakat qilamiz. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Peace.